What the hell is this? It's the Wonder Bra.
Would you pass the butter, please?
Badass dad. I didn't know you're allowed to touch a stove. This is Raisin Bran, not Raisin Bran. It's not that hard, Mom. It says crunch on the box.
I want you well for the weekend.
Mom wants to party. I don't even care anymore. Can you just give me a ride to school?
This fork is absolutely filthy. You've got good eyes. Look at that. Look, there's some cereal on the breakfast table.
You want me to pour you some juice?
I'll take a coffee.
I think your first big birthday decision is breakfast or lunch.
Pancakes?
Thank you.
Hey, Mom, you forgot something.
What is she doing?
Ah, now you're talking.
No.
Good move.
No.
No.